Baby.
No, it's going to just keep happening.
Oh my gosh, what is happening?
Chicken shawarma, this is one of my go-tos, especially in the viral chicken shawarma wrap. It's been all over my feed, and I've been having it like twice a week with my kids at home, so I cannot wait to show you, Karina, how to make this.
I'm ready. I'm ready to try this. I've been waiting for this recipe, Betty.
And we need Griddle Nation to try it. I think you guys are going to love it, and let me show you guys how. Alright, Karina, are you ready for this chicken shawarma? It starts off with chicken thighs. I dice these up. We're adding some fresh lemon juice, fresh grated garlic, salt, pepper, some Greek yogurt, tomato paste, smoked paprika, and now shawarma seasoning. You could buy this or you could make your own. Shawarma is really heavy on the seasoning, so we're going heavy. A little bit of our graza oil. Let this marinate overnight would be best. Now on to our sumac or red onion salad. Girl, I'm gonna let you take this.
I need to taste this.
We're gonna use CJ's mandolin and get these onions really, really thin.
We're going to also chop up the parsley, throw it in there with our onions.
Tons of parsley.
We're gonna add it to the bowl, squeeze a little bit of lemon, a pinch of salt, add the oil to the salad, and of course our sumac.
Now, have you ever had sumac?
No, I haven't. This is the first time I've even seen it.
Sumac is one of my favorite seasonings. It's tangy, it's tart. Karina, can you cut up some Roma tomatoes? These are gonna go into our wraps. Now let's drop down our marinated chicken shawarma onto our smoking hot griddle. We're gonna let this chicken get nice and charred on all sides. Once it's done, pull it off. Time to use our wrap of choice, which is lavash bread today, or lavash. Am I saying that right, Andy?
Lavash, I believe.
We go heavy on our garlic dip, which is Toum garlic dip. Have you ever had this? This is one of my favorite things. Get it on there, pile it high with your chicken.
Now can we add these red onions?
Pile as high as you want. Some tomatoes. Now it's time to fold up the bottom to keep everything secure in these. Get them rolled up. Before we go onto the griddle, we're gonna add a little bit of graza frizzle oil that I've mixed with a little bit of tomato paste. This is gonna get the outside of our wrap nice and toasty on the outside.
Now can we get these onto the griddle, Betty?
You know it, girl. Let's get these down nice and crispy on all sides. We'll roll them around. Make sure you go seam side down first. Once they're done, traditionally, since this is a street food, in parchment paper. Time to dive in now. When I eat these at home, I just kind of start unwrapping as I go. Look at that crust on that, Andy. Look at that. See?
This looks so good.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
What I do also, a scoop of that with
have
every
it.
single bite because I love it so much. Cheers. Thank you for cooking with me. I can't wait to see if you like it.
Let's see. This is so good, Betty. The chicken's juicy. You can taste all the flavors. It's amazing.
There's so much spice in chicken shawarma. If you haven't tried it, especially in a wrap, the viral wraps, this is a take and make. You're gonna love it. You better make it for your kids at home. I think they'll love it. When you do, what's my rule? Post a picture.
And tag Blackstone Betty.
And no, Blackstone product. And me. And you. Be sure to watch all the shows on the Blackstone YouTube channel. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty.
And I'm Karina's Cocina.
We will see you guys for another recipe in our next shows.
Yes.
Love you guys. Oh, bye. Love you guys.